Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're removing a writing or handwriting keyboard now. First, confirm the device type and that you have admin rights or the device passcode. Open Settings and go straight to Languages or Input Methods. On Windows, that's Time and Language, right arrow Language. On Android, it's System, right arrow Languages and Input. And on iOS, it's General, right arrow Keyboard. Find the handwriting or writing keyboard entry and select it. Once found, turn it off or choose Remove to stop it from appearing. Don't close settings yet. Next, remove the keyboard completely. If it's a built-in option, turn off the handwriting toggle or tap Remove on the keyboard list. If it's a third-party writing app, uninstall it via Play Store, App Store, or Windows Apps and Features. Once uninstalled, reopen Input Settings to ensure it's gone from available keyboards. If handwriting persists, remove the associated language or language pack. That often disables the handwriting engine. After these steps, restart the device to clear cached input settings and confirm the keyboard no longer appears. Finish by restarting and testing in a Note app or browser to confirm the writing keyboard is gone. If it reappears, clear the keyboard app cache or reset keyboard settings in Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Keyboard, right arrow Storage, then force Stop. If settings won't change, reinstall the keyboard app and then uninstall it cleanly to remove lingering components. Troubleshooting tip: if the keyboard still returns, check accessibility and input switching shortcuts. Disable any gestures that auto-switch layouts so the handwriting option cannot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.